Hey, what's going on, everybody? Max here with Because Bitcoin. And today, for 10 minutes max, we are going to be talking about Pepe and meme coins in general and why I believe that Pepe is going to basically be the fastest horse in this race. So, just a quick reminder, these are daily 10-minute videos that we're calling 10 minutes max, where I deliver you daily alpha in under 10 minutes. So, without further ado, please like and subscribe, and let's dive right into it. It only makes sense we talk about Pepe on a day like today. I did some bull posting over the weekend because I am very, very excited for what I believe comes next. I made a video maybe 10 days ago or something. We were, hanging out around here, and I explained that, we basically fired right into this super high time frame support level, and this was a forced capitulation, forced sell-off caused by, a pretty toxic ex-community member, basically just we'll just say causing a forced sell-off into this level. This is like the most bullish thing that could have happened, was a forced sell-off into this level, and now we are way back above the point of origin of this forced sell-off. So, Pepe continues to lead as the market shows strength, and I think that the writing is on the wall if you choose to look at it. So, let's just go through some of the technicals right now, guys. And I want to provide some updates, not just to the Pepe USD chart, but also expand on why I think Pepe is going to be the meme coin of choice, the fastest horse in this race. The coin that people look back on and go, "Oh, it was so obvious. Why did I not buy it?" You know. But anyways, this chart looks fantastic right here. In the simplest of terms, inverse head and shoulders. This is pretty incredible. We have been accumulating here for, let's just say, even right here. All right, all the way until where we're currently at, 3/4 of a year. I mean, that is a big, big accumulation range. I think ultimately, when this range finally exits right here, this will be looked back on as the mega, mega accumulation range. And, whether you bought up here or down here, it doesn't matter because I mean, the chart is just, I think it's going to go vertical, and, the ultimately it's going to look something like this. This is what the chart will look like. This will be just down here, and the parabola will take you significantly higher. But anyways, let's keep it moving a little bit here, just because again we only have 10 minutes. All right. So let's pull up Doge and Shib, guys. And this was something that I talked about this weekend. If you follow me closely on Twitter, you saw this, I'm sure. But these meme coins, they do something kind of similar every single time. And I believe that Pepe is doing just that. So here we gotta change this up a little bit. We'll hide this, and we'll hide that. All right. So, in my opinion, this is probably where we're at, guys. We more or less just had our forced selling, and into this local low, similarly to Doge right over here, and Shib right over here. And if we want to mark out the tops as well, something like this. But I think that this looks really, really comparable, guys. They both did these accumulation ranges with a little deviation below, and then ultimately went crazy. And what I find really interesting about it is it's this 50 billion level, which we're going to have to keep an eye on. I think that's going to be your, really significant level for Pepe. Additionally, where we pause. Very interestingly enough, right here, we put in a big pause before, the real crazy multiple, expansion blow off top happened. It happened both for Shib and for Pepe. Or I'm sorry, Shib and Doge. Forgive me, guys. Shib and Doge. So I'm looking for Pepe to basically just take this playbook and run it back. Whenever it happens, I think we'll probably mark up, and we'll put in like a little, bull flag reaccumulation, and then we'll put in the blow off top. Same exact thing. Why would it be different this time, guys? There's also rumors of, Coinbase listings and all this stuff, which again, I can't really substantiate, but February 29th is leap day. Do what you will with that information. So, looking for something similar here. Now let's talk about why I think Pepe is going to be the leader. Why Pepe, right? There's all these other meme coins, there's Floki, there's Shib again, there's Doge, there's Samo, there's Dog with Hat, there's Bon. I mean, there's so many meme coins. And when I post about it on X, everybody's like, oh, well, they DM me. I swear I got 100 DMs when I posted about Pepe just recently. Oh, this meme coin's better than Pepe for this reason, and it has utility, and it has this, and it has that. That's all great. I'm not rooting against any of them, but I'm a technician. I'm a chartist. I rely on the data. So let's take a look at it, right? All right, here's Pepe versus Floki. All right, what do you see here? When I look at this chart, I see Pepe breaking out against Floki. For those that don't know what this chart is here, just a real quick refresher. So this is Pepe denominated in Floki. So rather than US dollars. All right. And that basically means that when this chart is going up, so when this chart is going up like this, that means that Pepe is outperforming Floki. All right. And when it's going down, that means that Floki is outperforming Pepe. All right. So, I refer back to something I've said in previous videos. Why would you hold a meme coin if it's not outperforming like the majors of meme coins? And really, we should probably be looking at Pepe Doge first. Pepe Doge is actually, let's just do this. Let's just pull up a bunch of charts and we'll make them right here. Pepe Floki, in my opinion, this looks bottomed. You know, this we could even draw it from here. This is like your range low, sort of a wedge of some sort. Pepe looks like it's going to blast off against Floki. All right, up. Now let's look at Pepe USD divided by Doge USD. All right. Here we go. I already had this one pre-drawn. In my opinion, it certainly looks like Pepe is again coiling, reaccumulating, and getting ready to break out, if not having already started its breakout against Doge. Why would you hold Doge or Floki if Pepe is going to outperform both, right? Why would you hold a meme coin if it's not going to outperform the majors, right? And clearly the data is suggesting that Pepe is currently trying to outperform Floki and Doge. All right. Let's look at Pepe versus SHIB, right? Pepe USD versus SHIB USD. All right. So again, these pairs work as a barometer for outperformance. All right. Here's Pepe SHIB. Again, looking very clearly like, it's trying. This is a bottom here. Maybe these are deviations down here. Right below a range low, deep value. That could be another one right there. And then again, it looks like to me, as of right now, we're breaking out. It looks like we're forming wedges. Pepe against every other major meme coin, is forming these wedges. It's looking like it wants to break out. So that's why I think that Pepe is poised to be, the winner in this race. And someone said to me, "Well, what about Pepe versus Bonk or Pepe versus?" And here's one that I actually talked about on Twitter. And I happen to be rooting for these guys as well. These guys are on Soul, Samo guys. Big fans of what they're doing. I think they're sharp over there. But again, it comes back to it's not a personal thing with any of these meme coins. It comes back to that I rely on the charts and the data to dictate my decision making. And to me, it's clear as day. We're breaking out. Pepe is breaking out against every other major meme coin. What are we talking about here? I mean, I can't fade the data, guys. It's that simple. So, anyways, looking at this, guys, I'm just a chartist. It's nothing personal. I don't get emotionally invested in any of these projects, but Pepe looks to be the winner so far, and we'll see if it continues to play out. But someone asked me about Pepe versus Whiff or Pepe versus Bonk, and that's an interesting discussion because Solana clearly led off of the bottom and Ethereum has been lagging. So let's look at Pepe versus Bonk. Bonk really was kind of like the first meme coin to go crazy. This cycle and recently, Pepe's been dramatically outperforming that of Bonk on a local time frame. I mean, you can see here that it's clearly trying to break out, but obviously, if we go back and we look at more data, Bonk went way up here. But you know what? So if you look at it from all the way this year, right, it's getting destroyed against Bonk. But I would say give it time to play a little game of catch up, just because Bonk is on Soul and Soul clearly led off of the bottom. So I'm actually looking for this to be a deviation as we enter what I would consider to be ETH season and some of these more legacy meme projects like Floki, like Shib, like Doge, Pepe, really play a game of catch up here. But I would be looking for, Bonk to bleed aggressively against Pepe, or Pepe to, really rapidly pick up what it lost against Bonk. So, anyways, Pepe looks great, not just against its US dollar pair, but also against every other meme coin. So, again, it's important to look at these pairs and not just the US dollar terms, guys. But, anyways, um, very, very bullish on Pepe. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for being here. This was 10 Minutes Max, brought to you by Because Bitcoin. If you enjoyed the content, please consider liking and subscribing. Again, I make these videos every single day and deliver you alpha in 10 minutes max. Last but not least, check out the link in the description below, becausebitcoin.com/premium. It'll take you to our website where you can browse our premium services and read testimonials. Guys, if you want to see behind the curtain and take your trading to the next level, consider joining our Discord right now. We are about to drop BB Terminal, which will be included in your Discord package. And again, prices are going to go up dramatically. So if you want to know all of my active positions, all of my premium analysis that I don't talk about here on YouTube, as well as the rest of the Because Bitcoin team, guys, consider checking it out sooner rather than later, guys. It's a really great opportunity. But guys, thanks so much for being here. We will see you tomorrow. Take care.